up guys, Ahmad Imran here from the Tech Trio. Today I am going to give you a tutorial on how to edit a video in Adobe Premiere Pro or whichever version you have. The first thing you need to know is why you need to edit a video. We edit a video to remove the unwanted parts, cut the mistakes out and assemble the video in a sequence. So let's head toward the tutorial. In the editing window of Adobe Premiere Pro, you could see four panels: a project panel, a timeline panel, a program panel, and a source panel. I will explain all of the panels one by one. Let's start with the project panel. Its function is to import a video, audio, or picture which you want to use in your project. There are multiple ways to import a media. You can just go to File and select Import and select which media or video you want. Or you can just browse it from here. The third one is to browse it from the media browser. And the fourth one, it's really simple. You need to just double tap on the project panel and select which media or video you want. Now let's talk about the source panel. The question there is, how would you move your video to the source panel? You can either do it by double clicking on the video, it will automatically move to the source panel, or you can just drag the video to the source panel like this. Now you can see a bunch of tools here. I will only explain the main one. If you want to select a specific part of the video, you can add a mark in from where you want to start your video, like this. Play the video, pause it, add a mark out. These are the mark in and mark out tools. Now if you only want the video, you can drag it from the video only tool, like this. And if you want the audio only, you can drag it from the audio only tool, like this. If you want both the video and audio, you can simply drag it. If you want both the video and audio, you can simply drag it from the video, like this. Now, if you want to extend the video, you can just pick the selection tool and drag it from here. Same goes with the audio. Now, if you want to cut any unneeded part, you can go to the razor tool, select the part which you don't want, like this, make a cut, play the video, pause it back, and for example, you don't want this part. We cut it, go to the selection tool, select it, and just press delete. It will automatically delete the part. Now, if you don't want these spaces here, empty spaces, you can either drag the video or you can just select the empty space and press delete. Now, if you want to add a title to your video, you can go to File, New, Legacy Title. Now, this is the name of your title, not your title. It will specify your title from other titles. Let's name it the TECH, the Tech Trio. Now you can write your title here. You can increase the size of the panel like this with whatever you like. You need to select the type tool, click here and type your title like this. Now if you want to change the font, you can do it from here like this and this. If you want to make it bold, this is the tool, italics, this one, and underline it from this. If you want to increase the font size, you can just drag it like this or select whichever number you want, like 120. If you want to increase the space between the letters, you drag it like this. This tool will align your title to the left, this one to the center, and this one to the right. Now, if you see here, there is another panel. This is basically the same thing which I explained with some extra tools like opacity, exposition, Y position, etc. and stroke, shadow, background. You can choose any of your preferences from here. Now just click close. Your title will appear here. Just drag it like this. Now if you see, your title will appear in this photo. Now if you want to increase the duration of your title, you can expand it like this. And if you want to decrease it, you can cut it like this. So guys, that was the tutorial on how to edit your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you liked the video. If you are a fan of wrestling or cricket, you can subscribe to my other channel. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe.